everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel, where learning English is calm, easy, and a little bit fun. I'm Sophia.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake.
We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, very happy, and also a little bit hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, I had a very small breakfast.
Oh no, I had a big breakfast.
A big breakfast? That's a great start to the day.
It really is. And today is a great day because we have a great topic.
Oh yes, what is the topic?
Today we are talking about English for work.
Work. Ah yes, very important and sometimes a little scary.
That's true, but today we make it simple and easy for beginners.
Yes, very simple. Easy words, easy conversations.
And some funny moments too.
Always funny moments.
So Jake, let's start at the beginning.
Okay, before work, we need a job.
Exactly. And to get a job, we usually have an interview.
The interview. I feel nervous already.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous in interviews.
My hands are cold, my voice is small. Hello?
It's okay. We have some easy tips to help you.
Good, I like easy tips.
Tip number 1, prepare.
Prepare? What does that mean?
It means you practice before the interview.
Practice my English?
Yes, practice questions and answers.
Okay, what questions?
A very common question is, tell me about yourself.
Oh no, big question.
It sounds big, but your answer can be simple.
Good, I like simple.
First, say your name. For example, my name is Jake.
Easy. My name is Jake.
Then say your job. I work in a shop, or I work in an office.
Okay, I try. My name is Jake. I work in an office.
Perfect. Then say something you like.
Something I like. I like coffee.
Maybe something about work.
Okay, I like helping people.
That's great. Now say everything together.
My name is Jake. I work in an office. I like helping people.
That sounds very professional.
Wow, I feel important now.
Not too important.
Okay, just a little important.
Another common question is, why do you want this job?
Why do I want this job?
You can say something positive about the company.
Positive. Like, I like your company?
Yes, that's good.
Can I say, I like your chairs?
Maybe not the chairs.
Okay, I like your team.
Perfect.
Or, I want to learn new skills.
Excellent. That is a strong answer.
So, I talk about me, and I say why I want the job.
Yes, and very important, smile.
Smile, but I'm nervous.
I know, but a smile shows you are friendly.
Okay, I will practice smiling.
Where?
In the mirror. Hello, mirror. My name is Jake.
That's perfect practice.
What about clothes?
Good question. Wear nice and clean clothes.
No pajamas?
No pajamas.
Okay, no pajamas at the interview.
At the end of the interview, say, thank you for your time.
That sounds polite.
Yes, very polite.
And I smile again?
Yes, always smile.
So many smiles. My face is tired.
It's okay. Practice makes it easy.
Okay, Sophia. Good news.
What is it?
I got the job.
Congratulations, Jake. That's wonderful.
Thank you. I am very happy and a little bit scared again.
That's normal. First day at work can feel new and strange.
Yes, new place, new people.
These people are called colleagues.
Colleagues. That means work friends, right?
Exactly. People you work with every day.
So, what do I say in the morning?
You say, good morning.
Easy.
Or, hello, how are you?
Okay. Good morning, Sophia. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Perfect. That is a friendly start.
I like this. It is easy and nice.
Yes, simple English is very powerful.
But what if I have a problem?
That happens. Maybe you don't understand something.
Yes, my computer is not working.
Then you ask for help.
Do I shout, help?
No, not so loud.
Okay, what do I say?
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Perfect. Don't forget please.
Magic word.
Yes, and also thank you.
2 magic words. So I say, excuse me, can you help me, please? And then, thank you.
Exactly.
What about the boss?
Same idea. Be polite.
Good morning, boss.
That's okay. Or use their name.
Good morning, Mr. Khan.
Very professional.
If I am polite, maybe I get more money.
Maybe, or maybe you get a promotion.
Promotion? What is that?
A better job in the same company.
Oh, Manager Jake.
Yes.
I like that. Manager Jake sounds very important.
So remember, be polite, smile, and use simple English.
Smile again. Always smile.
Now, let's talk about meeting new people at work.
Oh no, new people. I feel shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy.
What do I say?
Start simple. Say hello.
Hello.
Then say your name.
Hello, my name is Jake.
Good. Then say where you work.
I work in an office.
Perfect. And then the most important step.
What is it?
You ask a question.
A question. Okay,
You can say, what is your name?
easy.
Or, where do you work?
Oh, that's a good one.
People like to talk about themselves.
Yes, I like talking about me.
Me too.
So I ask questions and then I listen.
Yes, you listen, you smile, and you show interest.
I can say, interesting.
Yes, that's a great word.
Interesting. I like that.
This is how you make conversation at work.
Conversation. Just talking, asking, and listening.
Exactly.
But Sophia, what if I want to finish the conversation, but I don't want to be rude? What do I say?
That's a very good question, Jake.
Yes, because sometimes I want to go maybe for coffee, or maybe I am just tired.
That's normal. You just need a polite way to finish the conversation.
Okay, teach me the magic sentence.
You can say, it was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you.
Or, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you. Ah, that sounds friendly.
Yes, very friendly and polite.
And then I walk slowly, not run.
Yes, please do not run away.
Okay, now I feel better. I can start a conversation and finish it too.
That's great. You are learning fast.
Thank you, Teacher Sophia.
You're welcome, Student Jake.
Wait, I have another question.
Go ahead.
What about small talk?
Ah, good topic. Small talk is very important at work.
Small talk. Does it mean small words?
Not exactly. It means simple, friendly conversation.
Oh, like talking about the weather?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, let me try. It is hot today.
Very good.
Or it is cold today.
Yes.
Or I am hungry today.
That is also true, Jake. What else can I say? You can talk about your day. For example, I am busy today.
I am busy today.
Or, today is a good day.
Today is a good day. I like that.
You can also ask simple questions.
Like what?
How is your day?
How is your day?
Or, are you busy?
Are you busy?
These are easy and useful.
I see. Small talk is simple but important.
Yes, it helps you connect with people.
Connect, like make friends?
Exactly.
Okay, I like small talk. It is not scary.
Good. Now let's talk about one more situation.
Oh, more learning? I'm ready.
Imagine this. You are late to work.
Oh no, that is bad.
Yes, it happens sometimes.
What do I say?
You say, I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Then you can give a simple reason.
Like, the bus was late.
Perfect.
Or, my alarm did not work.
Yes, that's a common one.
My alarm is always sleeping.
Then you need a new alarm.
Okay, I say sorry, I give a reason, and I smile.
Yes, but maybe a small smile, not too big.
Okay, small smile for late Jake.
Now, what if you need to leave work early?
Oh yes, sometimes I want to go home early.
Then you can say, "Can I leave early today?"
Can I leave early today?
Very polite.
And I say please?
Yes, always good to add please.
So, can I leave early today, please?
Perfect.
Wow, English for work is not so difficult.
It's not. Simple words can do a lot.
Simple but powerful.
Exactly.
Let me try a full day at work.
Okay, go ahead.
Morning. I walk in. I smile. I say, good morning.
Good start.
Then I say, how are you?
Perfect.
Then, my computer is sleeping. I say, excuse me, can you help me please?
Very good.
Then I say, thank you.
Excellent.
Then, I meet a new person.
Yes.
I say, hello, my name is Jake. I work in an office.
Great.
Then I ask, where do you work?
Perfect conversation.
Then I say, interesting.
Yes, don't forget that word.
Then I finish, it was nice to meet you.
Very polite.
Then I go get coffee.
Of course, very important step.
Sophia, I think I am ready for work.
I think you are too.
Manager Jake is coming soon.
Yes, maybe very soon.
So today we learned many things.
Yes, we did.
We talked about interviews.
Prepare, practice, and smile.
We talked about talking at work.
Use polite words like please and thank you.
Magic words.
Yes.
We talked about meeting new people.
Say hello, ask questions, and listen.
And don't run away.
Very important rule.
We talked about small talk.
Simple conversations like weather and daily life.
And saying sorry when I am late.
Yes, always be polite.
Wow, that is a lot, but it feels easy.
That's the goal. Easy and useful English.
And a little funny?
Always a little funny.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for listening.
We are very happy you joined us today.
If you like this podcast,
Please give us a like
and don't forget to subscribe.
and share with a friend who needs English for work.
We have a question for you.
Yes, tell us, what is your job?
Or, what is your dream job?
Dream job. What is your dream job, Jake?
Pizza tester.
Of course.
Manager Jake the pizza tester.
That sounds like a very important job.
We love reading your answers.
Yes, we really do.
Okay, time to go now.
Yes, but slowly, not running.
Always slowly.
Thank you again, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.